you can easily feel good when you turn on Quran playing in the background. So when you are doing anything, or you are just sitting down thinking about how you can come out from this fatigue and tiredness, Quran playing in the background is one of the easiest, cheapest, most spiritually uplifting way to help with your fatigue. So you can try that as well. Then also, you are reaping the benefits of reciting Quran to your baby, because your baby would listen to the Quran as you are listening to the Quran as well, to help curb away the fatigue. You are benefiting from the barakah of listening to the Quran, and then your baby is also benefiting from the barakah of listening to the Quran, as well as you are training the brain of your baby to be attuned to the words of Allah, to the voice of listening to the Quran, the audio in the background, and then also to the words. It's like you are doing one thing, but it's like a ripple effect. You are gaining a whole lot of benefit. You are listening to the Quran to curb away your fatigue, but you are reaping a whole lot of benefit, because who knows, inshallah, your baby would come out into the world, and then it's like Quran is easy to grasp for the baby, and it's not difficult anymore, right? So that is one of the de-stresses that I can give you if you are a Muslim and you are listening to me. All my Muslim sisters who are pregnant, Quran should be your best friend, even if you are not fatigued. But if you're fatigued, that is one of the biggest things that you can also help to de-stress yourself. So I hope this is helpful as well.